Hi, this is Tracy from DIY Domination. Have you ever wished you could give yourself a professional-looking pedicure at home? Well, that's entirely possible. Not only is it a relaxing self-care ritual, but it's also a cost-effective way to maintain your foot health and aesthetics. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process from gathering the right tools and materials to creating your own spa-like environment, and finally, achieving that perfect pedicure. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process of getting a professional-looking pedicure at home. By the way, if you like this video and would like to see more videos with advice on beauty and personal care, make sure to click the subscribe button and become part of the DIY Domination community today. First things first, let's gather all the supplies you will need. This includes nail clippers, a nail file, a cuticle pusher or orange stick, a basin or tub for a foot soak, Epsom salt or your favorite foot soak product, a pumice stone or foot file, a scrub or exfoliating product, and nail polish remover. You'll also need cotton balls or pads, a base coat, nail polish in your color of choice, a top coat, and optionally a nail polish remover pen and toe separators. Don't forget a good lotion or moisturizer, a towel, warm water, and if you like, some eucalyptus or lavender oil for a spa-like experience. Next, let's prepare your work area. Choose a well-lit, clean, and well-ventilated area. Lay down a towel or mat to protect the surface from any spills. Finally, use nail polish remover and cotton balls or pads to thoroughly remove any old nail polish from your toenails. Now that we have everything ready, we can move on to trimming and shaping your nails. Now we're ready to start with the real pampering. It's time to give your feet the care they deserve. The first step is to trim and shape your nails. Using your nail clippers, carefully trim each toenail to your desired length. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of too long than too short. Once your nails are trimmed, it's time to shape them. Grab your nail file and begin to gently file each nail, moving in one direction only to avoid splitting your nails. Aim for a square or slightly rounded shape, which can help prevent ingrown toenails. Now it's time to soak your feet. Fill your basin or tub with warm water and add your foot soak product or Epsom salt. This is your chance to really indulge, so why not add a few drops of eucalyptus or lavender oil for a spa-like experience? Let your feet soak for about 15 minutes. This will not only feel wonderfully relaxing, but it will also soften your skin and nails, preparing them for the next steps. Once your feet have had a good soak, it's time to exfoliate. Using your chosen scrub or exfoliating product, gently rub your feet, paying special attention to any rough areas like your heels and the balls of your feet. For any stubborn calluses, use your pumice stone or foot file to gently buff away the hard skin. Remember to be gentle. It's better to remove a little at a time over a few sessions than to overdo it and hurt your feet. Finally, it's time to push back your cuticles. This is an important step, but one that needs to be done with care. After soaking, your cuticles should be soft and easy to push back. Using your cuticle pusher or orange stick, gently push back the cuticles on each toe. Be careful not to cut them, as this can lead to infection. With your feet feeling soft and refreshed, we're ready for the next step. Now that your feet are feeling soft and refreshed, let's focus on your nails. The first step is to wipe your toenails clean and dry to remove any remaining moisture or oils. This is important to ensure that your nail polish adheres properly and lasts longer. Use a clean, dry cloth or a paper towel to do this. Be gentle and take care not to damage your cuticles. Next, it's time to moisturize. It's not just your skin that needs hydration. Your nails do too. Apply a generous amount of moisturizer or lotion to your feet, making sure to massage it into your toenails and cuticles. This will help to nourish your nails, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose a moisturizer that's specifically designed for feet, as these often contain ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E, which are excellent for nail health. Once your nails are moisturized, give them a final clean to ensure they're free from any lotion residue. You can do this by lightly swiping each nail with a cotton pad soaked in nail polish remover. This will also help to further dry out your nails, ensuring a strong bond with your base coat. Now, you're ready to apply your base coat. This is a clear polish that serves a couple of important purposes. First, it protects your nails from staining, especially when you're using darker nail polish shades. Second, it helps your nail polish to adhere better, resulting in a smoother application and longer-lasting finish. To apply your base coat, start at the base of your nail and swipe the brush upwards towards the tip. Be sure to cover the entire surface of your nail. Apply a thin, even layer, being careful not to let it pool around your cuticles. If you do make a mistake, simply use a cotton swab dipped in nail polish remover to clean up. Wait for your base coat to dry completely before moving on. This usually takes about 5 minutes depending on the brand you're using. It's worth taking this time to ensure a perfect pedicure. With your base coat applied, we're ready to add some color. It's time to bring out the color and give your nails a vibrant look. Let's start with the base coat. This clear layer is crucial as it protects your nails and helps your nail polish adhere better. Apply a thin, even layer to each toenail. Take your time and make sure to cover the entire surface of each nail. Remember, the base coat is the foundation of your nail polish, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to get it right. Now let's add some color. Choose the nail polish color that makes you feel fabulous. Start at the base of your nail and sweep the brush upwards in a straight line, then repeat on either side to fully cover the nail. The key here is to apply thin, even strokes. This helps to avoid bubbles and streaks in the polish. Don't worry if you don't get full coverage with the first coat. It's better to apply 2 or 3 thin coats rather than one thick one. So, once your first coat is dry, go ahead and add another. If you have toe separators, now is the time to use them. They can help prevent smudging between the toes. Once you are satisfied with the color, it's time for the top coat. This clear coat seals the color, adds shine, and protects your polish from chipping. Like with the base coat in color, apply the top coat in thin, even strokes. Now, for some of you, you might find a little polish has strayed onto the skin around your nails. No need to worry, we've got a solution for that. Use a nail polish remover pen to clean up the edges. It's a handy tool that gives you the precision to remove stray polish without messing up your newly painted nails. And there you have it. Your nails are polished, vibrant, and looking fabulous. Remember to let them dry completely. This usually takes about 30 minutes, but it's worth the wait to avoid any smudges. Now that your nails are polished and looking fabulous, let's move on to the final touches. We're almost done. Now it's time for some final touches. As we wrap up our DIY pedicure, it's crucial to give your nails enough time to dry. This is not a step to rush. Be patient and let them air dry naturally for at least 30 minutes. You can use this time to relax, read a book, or catch up on your favorite show. Just make sure you're in a position where you won't smudge your newly painted nails. Once your nails are completely dry, it's time to moisturize again. Yes, you heard right. More moisture is key. Our feet often get overlooked when it comes to hydration, but it's just as important as any other part of our body. So grab your favorite lotion or moisturizer. Apply a generous amount to your feet, taking time to massage it into your skin. This step not only hydrates your feet, but also promotes circulation, which is great for overall foot health. Now that your feet are feeling soft and pampered, let's talk about maintaining this professional-looking pedicure. It's not a one-and-done deal. Regular upkeep will help your feet continue to look and feel their best. Moisturize daily to keep your skin supple and prevent dryness. If your polish starts to chip, simply touch it up. Also, remember to be mindful of your footwear. Tight shoes can cause blisters and corns, which can ruin your pedicure. Opt for comfortable, well-fitting shoes whenever possible. And don't forget to change your socks daily to maintain hygiene and keep your feet fresh. If you've enjoyed this pedicure session, why not make it a regular part of your self-care routine? You could do it once every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on your needs. It's a great way to unwind, take care of your feet, and add a pop of color to your look. And there you have it, a professional-looking pedicure right at home. Remember, foot care is vital for your overall well-being, so treat your feet right. As we've seen today, it's not that hard or time-consuming. Plus, it's a great way to pamper yourself without breaking the bank. So go ahead, give your feet the care they deserve. Until next time, stay fabulous. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY beauty and personal care tips and tricks.